So hello everyone, this is Mohit Prithyani and welcome to my channel Mr. Lazy Tech, and this video is all about this. This is the boAt Airdopes 171. These are the recently launched earbuds from boAt and its price approximately 2000 rupees. So I'll do the unboxing of these earbuds and let's see what all we get inside the box, give you the basic overview, and let's see how the sound quality, bass quality and call quality is, and whether these earbuds are best under 2000 rupees or not. So hope you like this one, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so I can make more good stuff for you all. So let's get started. So this is the box of the boAt Airdopes 171 you will be getting once the product is reached to you. And behind the box the price mentioned is approximately 6000 rupees, but the actual price is 2000 rupees only. So now let us just quickly unbox this thing and let's see what all we get inside the box. So inside the box, first of all, they have given the warranty card, that is the 1 year of warranty you will be getting with this product. And apart from this one, there is the main box with the charging case and a small box over here. And they have given a good packaging, I must say. Let us just see what all we get inside this small box. So there must be some stuff, and inside it you will be getting the charging cable. They have given type 2 of charging cable with this one, and some extra ear cups for your ear comfort, so you can use it accordingly, and some boAt branding stuff and all. And the user manual, you can just go through the user manual and see all the instructions of this earbuds. Now coming to the main charging case, this is the charging case of the earbuds, and I must say they have given a very premium quality of charging case over here. A very good product, I must say, at this price range. And behind it you will be able to charge the earbuds through this charging port. And inside it you will be getting the earbuds itself in a compact size, and they have magnetic locks as well, so they will not fall off once the earbuds are inside the charging case. That is a plus point. Now let us just pull out the earbuds and let's see how these are. So they have given a very compact size and good quality of earbuds, I must say. A premium quality they have given at this price range. And on the top they have given the multifunction button for answer call, reject call, next track, previous track, play, pause. This is the multifunction button they have given. Now coming to the specifications part, you will be getting Bluetooth version 5.0 with this one, with IPX4 sweat and water resistant feature, and it comes with 6 mm of drivers with it for better bass and sound quality, and also with voice resistance feature. And you will be getting approximately 3 hours of playtime on a single charge, and using the charging case you'll be able to charge the earbuds 3 times, so up to 10 hours of total battery backup you will be getting with this one. So as we can see here, they have given a lot of good features at this price range, and they are very comfortable as well in ears, so it will not fall off. That is a plus point. So आप इसको वर्कआउट्स के टाइम भी यूज कर सकते हैं. That is a good thing. एंड पर्टिकुलरली मुझे ये जो ब्लू कलर है बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. सो अब भाई को ही देख लो, इतना अच्छा लगा मुझे कलर के सारा कॉम्बिनेशन ही. मैंने ब्लू पहन के बैठा हूँ, ब्लू 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 सब यहाँ पे ब्लू ही मैंने यहाँ पे पहन के बैठा हूँ आज मैं. सो नाउ कमिंग टू द साउंड क्वालिटी एंड बेस क्वालिटी, इसका साउंड बहुत ही अच्छा दिया गया है कंसिडरिंग द प्राइस रेंज. अगर आप इसको फुल वॉल्यूम पे भी सुनेंगे तो कोई इशू नहीं आने वाला है. दे हैव गिवन अ गुड डिसेंट साउंड. बेस इसका बहुत ज़्यादा पावरफुल और थम्पिंग नहीं है, बट दे हैव गिवन अ डिसेंट बेस एट दिस प्राइस रेंज. एंड कॉल क्वालिटी की बात करेंगे, यू विल बी गेटिंग अ गुड कॉल क्वालिटी. सामने वाला जो पर्सन आपको सुनता है उसको थोड़ा बहुत बैकग्राउंड नॉइज आता है, बट दैट इज मैनेजेबल कंसिडरिंग द प्राइस रेंज. सो अगर हम रेटिंग्स देंगे साउंड क्वालिटी, बेस क्वालिटी और कॉल क्वालिटी को, तो मैं साउंड क्वालिटी को दूंगा 4 आउट ऑफ 5, एंड मैं बेस क्वालिटी को दूंगा 3.5 आउट ऑफ 5, एंड कॉल क्वालिटी को भी दूंगा 3.5 आउट ऑफ 5. सो दीज वर द रेटिंग्स टोटल अकॉर्डिंग टू माई एक्सपीरियंस, एंड देयर इज नो इशू रिगार्डिंग दैट. यू कैन डेफिनेटली परचेज दिस वन. एंड प्लस पॉइंट इसमें यह है कि दे हैव गिवन अ वेरी प्रीमियम लुक एट दिस प्राइस रेंज. अगर आप इसको परचेज करेंगे तो आपको लगेगा आपने बहुत ही प्रीमियम क्वालिटी का ईयरबड परचेज किया है. आपको अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 3 to 4000 रुपीज में जो क्वालिटी मिलती है इन ईयरबड्स में दी गई है. दैट इज अ गुड थिंग. सो इफ यू आर प्लानिंग टू बाय ईयरबड अंडर 2000 रुपीज, यू कैन डेफिनेटली कीप दिस एज एन ऑप्शन. देयर इज नो इशू रिगार्डिंग दैट. आई एम ऑल्सो लिविंग द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन पार्ट below. You can click from there and buy it from there as well. And if you have any question regarding this earbuds, you can leave me in the comment section. I'll help you out with that. So this was all about the unboxing and the overview and the features of the boAt Airdopes 171. And hope you like this one. And as I told you, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so I can make more good stuff for you all. So thank you for watching this one, and see you in the next video. Thank you.